do these guys come from, man?
From their mother?
Yes.
And from a nutsack?
Yeah, I guess so. I guess that's a biological
explanation. Wow, man. Anyway, I'll be in a better mood when I eat my filet of fish right now.
Yeah, and I'm going to eat one with you. I'm probably going to take your offer.
Yes, sir. I'm going to meet... You want to eat in my truck or you want to meet at yours? Because he's over by you.
Oh, shit.
He's doing like 2 or 3 people over there.
Ooh, an orgy. Let's join.
So that means he'll probably be done in about 6 minutes.
No, he goes on. He went on for an hour. I got off at 7. I stayed clocked in and I didn't get off till 8. Oh shit!
Yeah, well, yesterday when you saw what happened yesterday, Alex leave at 1:30. You know, stay ahead. I didn't leave till 1:53.
Holy fuck! This lady turned and her fucking headlight came out. Her fucking headlight came out of the front.
Yeah, and her car lost an eye. That's tragic.
Oh man!
I hope she puts a pirate patch on it.
Oh.
All right, I'm turning into Mickey D's right now. It'll be on there shortly, nice and piping hot.
Okay.